Today I'm going to do a review about this Matchbox Collector set, and I was very surprised they arrived so quickly here in Europe. Okay, we're going to start with the Lamborghini Diablo. Here you have the box. I've ordered a complete set, and from each model you get 2 pieces. Okay, let's pick the Diablo. Here you got the package. 16 out of 20. Through grip tires, so we have rubber tires, some metal pieces. This is the back. It is officially licensed by a Lamborghini. That is what we like. Here we got some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. More text and the barcode article number. Freeze the frame. Okay, let's open this up. There we go. So you get a nice collector's box with it. Beautiful Matchbox logo. Empty box for the ones who want to know. Okay, so here we got the Lamborghini. First looks, first thoughts. Meh, I don't know. It's not really my thing, I have to say. Whoop, we switched to another camera mode. So we get better details. So we got the Lamborghini logo. We got some painted lights here in the front. Got some lanced headlights. A nice red color. Not a big fan of those rims. No suspension, by the way. Those silver rims, not really my thing. And from the side, I don't know, it looks a little bit cheap. Yeah. Can't explain it, but no, it's not really my thing. The back looks pretty good. I like those painted lights. And here we got the top. Do we have an opening part here? Yes. Oh, nice engine details. Ooh, I like that. That looks very cool. Yeah. Thumbs up for that. That looks very cool. And then we have the base. Plastic base. Yeah, like I said, rubber tires. Some details. Profile from the tires. I like that. But yeah, it looks kind of weird. I don't know. I have to get used to it, I think. Okay, let's put the Diablo here in the Lamborghini garage. There we go. So that looks pretty good. Lamborghini garage from Belek Art. Did a review about it on my YouTube channel. Okay, next one. We got the Bronco. And this is actually one of the reasons I bought this set. Let's open it up. Again, nice collector's box. And here we have the Bronco. Let's put the camera a little bit more to the front. Yeah, what a fantastic piece is this. Side mirror. Interior looks kind of cool. And with the Diablo, by the way, we had very dark windows. No, you can't see the interior. But here you can see the interior. No side window. That's okay to me. Ooh, I like the color difference here on top of the hood. Badlands. Nice paint, by the way. Shiny. Bronco in the front, painted front lights. What's there? Matchbox. Ford Performance on the side. Nice black rims. I like that. Brembo here on the side. I like that too. Good spare wheel. Unfortunately, not rubber. Painted rear lights. Ford logo here on the side. Yeah, very cool casting. And of course, with an opening part. We can look in the interior. Interior looks okay. Ooh, steering wheel. Meh. Big stump. That is not okay. Matchbox, do something about that. Looks horrible. Base. Yeah, plastic base. But car is looking good. I like it. Really happy with it. Okay. Then we got the Ford GT40. Let's open up the package. Here we have the box. And here we have the Ford GT. Oh, I like this. This is cool. Unfortunately, not as much details on the engine as the Diablo. That's a little bit disappointing. Why can the Diablo has a lot of details on the engine and the Ford GT not? But yeah, I like the Ford GT more than the looks of the Diablo. Gray rims, rubber tires. Here we got the base. Here we got the back. Oh, some paint is missing here on the Goodyear. And here we have the front. Very cool. Yeah, it looks very nice. Really cool casting and cool opening part. Yeah, steering wheel. Ugly. Overall, nice looking car. Okay, this is the other reason I bought this set. The Toyota MR2 W20. Yeah, it looks really good. Let's open it up. Got the collector's box right here. Here we got the car. Do we have some scratches on the top? Looks like it. Paint was not dry when they placed it in the package. Why? Okay, but let's have a look. We have an opening part, of course. We can look inside and we see a very ugly steering wheel, just like the other Matchbox cars. Rest of interior, the seats are okay. We got white rims. Combination white rims with red is pretty cool. Good profile on the tires. Some details here on the base. We got some lanced headlights, but these are completely made out of transparent plastic. I don't know what I think about that. Okay, here we got the back. Looks good in my opinion. Toyota here, MR2 in the middle. Painted lights. We see a piece of the exhaust. So yeah, overall pretty cool. I like it. And I have to say, I like this complete set. Not bad at all. Let me know what you think about this set. And let me know what you think about the Diablo, that the engine is not painted here. And what do you think about that M2 and the Bronco? Let me know. This is definitely my favorite from this set. Let me know what your favorite is from this set. Okay, thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up, please. You help me a lot with that. And share this video with your diecast friends. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.